In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add certifications to your Glassdoor profile. This quick update helps showcase your skills to employers and makes your profile stand out. First, open Glassdoor in your browser or on the mobile app and sign into your account. You'll need to be logged in to make profile changes. If you're on desktop, head to the Glassdoor website. If you prefer mobile, open the Glassdoor app. Either way, once you're signed in, you're ready to go. Next, click your profile icon and choose the option labeled Resume and Experience. This is where Glassdoor groups your professional information, including work history, skills, and credentials. Give the page a moment to load, especially if you've added a lot of details before. Now, scroll down until you find the certifications section. It's usually below your work experience and education. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. It's easy to miss on the first pass. This is the dedicated spot where your professional certificates will appear on your public profile. When you're there, click Add Certification. This opens a form for the credential you want to include. You'll be able to enter everything an employer needs to verify what you've earned. Go ahead and type the certification name exactly as the issuing organization lists it, so it's easy to recognize in searches. Add the issuing organization, such as the certifying body or platform. Enter the date you earned it. Month and year are typically fine. If your certification expires, add the expiration date so recruiters know it's current. If it doesn't expire, leave that field blank or select the no expiration option if it's available. A quick tip here, double check spelling and capitalization, and use the official names to keep your profile professional and consistent. By the way, I've placed the Glassdoor website link and the official app download links right at the top of the description. If you need quick access, you can head there to open Glassdoor in your browser or install the app on your device. Once everything looks good, click Save. Glassdoor will update your profile and display the new certification under the certification section. It's a good idea to refresh your profile view to make sure everything appears correctly. If you have multiple certifications, repeat the process to add each one, prioritizing the most relevant and recognized credentials first. That's it. Your certifications are now added to your Glassdoor profile to boost your career visibility. Thanks for watching.